Ready? Ready to get the plane.
Okay.
Throttle up.
Yeah.
Don't
Yes.
put the nose up too much.
No. Whoa, just whoa.
Oh, that's a window. I don't think it's that good of a wind.
Well, I guess you got the motor on, so don't don't turn.
No, that's sliding.
Gliding, yeah, that's much better behaved.
Quite nice gliding.
Whee.
Even a heavy magnet can fire out too much.
Yeah. Well, hopefully this is recording it properly.
Oh, no, it's definitely still a bit unstable. Well, that could be the wind.
Yeah.
We get you close enough to get in the recording. Hello, Jonathan.
Yeah. No, don't let it. Not on the golf course.
Hey, I've got Graham's problem with orientation.
Yeah.
I had to work out what was going away. I'm coming towards myself.
Oh.
Eh?
Yeah.
So until it picks up, no, it's just a cantankerous heap of shit. You're going to go back to bloody bird school.
Yeah.
Well, we'll get another photo coming around carefully in a sec. And that's holding down. It's like having a bit of down, eh?
It just looks like a.
Oh, see how it puts its nose up?
Yep. It's only for the. Hey, get away from the tree! Ow!
Jonathan, you're a terror.
I think this is a little hairy.
Look at it, wobbling everywhere. I wonder what it, oh, see how it puts its nose up when you spot it?
Yeah. I'll just keep it way out there.
I wonder if I've got the switch in the right place.
That I don't know. Yeah.
When I get up high enough to crash, retrash as high, I'm supposed to keep it level and it climbs by itself like that. Now I'm still holding quite a lot of down on.
It's sort of cross. The wind is pretty choppy up there, I think.
So that's when I'm holding a fair bit of down on. A bit happier, eh? Got a lot of speed. Throttle back a bit. Looks like the down mix might be working. I wonder if it is. Actually, I'm holding about half a stick down. You can have a look. Well, you know you're looking.
Oh yeah, let's see if it caught that.
That's just.
Yeah, you got a fair bit of down on it.
Yeah, and look, it's a lot better. It's almost behaving itself, half throttle. Whoa!
Whoa!
Set the throttle up and look at it, dude. And then we're gliding again. Don't give us a shot of the tree over there. You terror!
It was nesting.
Low pass here for height.
Yeah.
Good speed. Come on, Jonathan, watch your head. Yeah. Very slow on the motor. Yeah, I'm holding heaps of bloody
Hey?
I hold heaps of down on it for some reason. It wasn't doing that the other day. I thought it was